Say, what's up with it? What's up with it? Say, check this out, man. Before we even get started, make sure everybody understand one thing, man. Please push that like button. Please push that subscribe button. Let's get this thing going, Jack. You know what I'm saying? Say, and the reason why I say push that like and subscribe and do all that, because I'm building up my platform. I'm building up that platform. You know what I'm saying? Quality content, speaking about quality things so we can be able to get what? Quality knowledge, right? So therefore, that's why I say continue to push it. That's so I can be able to build up my platform. So if I'm able to build up my platform, I'm able to share the content that I want to share on my platform. So let's get this thing going, man. Let's get it going, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody that support me. Shout out to everybody that continue to tune in. Shout out to everybody that continue to do the work that needs to be done. Say, because I'm going to continue to do the work. But say, I'm back on here, right? And I want to speak on something because I did the live last night, right? When it came down to the situation with the WAC, the Nipsey, the Hassan, and all that, and the U. I spoke on that, homie. I spoke on that. And you have people that's so caught up mentally to thinking that, man, people don't supposed to speak on this or people don't supposed to speak on that. Man, last time I checked, when you stand on your own 2 feet and you a man, you can speak on what you want to speak on, homie. Now, if you speaking on it for elevation, then you sure enough supposed to speak on it because the world need to see what's going on. The world need to see exactly what's going on. That's all I'm trying to get y'all to understand. Say, because everybody's going to try to pull the wool over your eyes. But in reality, the world need to see what's going on. But when they see what's going on, they need to hear the real topics on what's going on, right? So I want to clear that up, man. I can speak on what I want to speak on. If you don't want to be spoke on, what you need to do is you need to go under a rock. You need to go under a rock and get in the shed and tell them to take the light off of you. Because once the light come off of you, then nobody gonna speak on those topics, homie. But since you want the light, you should be able to sit back and embrace everything that come with having that light. So now we sitting here, we watching y'all perform. We watching everybody talking and talking and talking. But like I keep on saying is this here, and I'm going to keep it 1,000 again. Boy, you did everything against the code, homie. You done got Big U caught. You got Big U name intertwined with whatever you trying to do. See, I have knowledge of one thing, right? You got people that get on phones, man, and try to impress other people. I have knowledge of that. You got people that get on the phone and try to impress the next person on that line. So when they try to impress somebody that's on that line, man, they might say anything. You don't know what they'll say because they trying to impress the next person on that line. So that's why I keep saying what I'm saying. I don't know if he's telling the truth. I don't know if he's telling a fairy tale. But what I do know is that, nigga, you was always in violation to even bring up those individuals' name. You was in violation to even have those kind of conversations that you had about how you squeezing these people. If you really squeezing somebody, you ain't got to let it be known. If you really putting the squeeze down, you ain't got to let it be known. It's just supposed to be understood with you and whoever you squeezing with. See, that's what I'm talking about. Everybody want to be the tough guy, homie. Everybody want to be the tough guy once that light get on them. You know what I'm saying? Once they start putting money behind your pocket, they start making you feel like you the go-to person to get on. Oh, yeah, we the go-to capital, bro. We out here in Cali. We got this label. We got this label. They got to come through here. They got to do X, Y, and Z. That ain't got nothing to do with nothing, man. The only people that's going to abide by those kind of rules, homie, is those individuals that ain't got no backing, man. And that's what I hate about a bully. Bullies like to attack individuals that they see that don't have no big old backing. That's what it's about. Oh, yeah, they ain't got nobody. So therefore, now you got it where people trying to automatically get their little money, and now they paying for people to make it seem like they really somebody. I think that's so lame, homie. I think it's so lame where we can't even sit down and get money with each other no more. Where we trying to squeeze each other. Nigga, why you gonna try to squeeze me? Nigga, we supposed to be, nigga, we the same kind. Oh, because I gotta come down that way, or you gonna try to squeeze me? What happened to real understand real? What happened to that? Oh, they don't go down no more, right? Say, man, listen, to anybody that's getting squaws, they squeezing, say, man, open your eyes up and realize one thing, homie. Boy, you ain't never got to get squeezed in real life. I don't know how y'all get down, but down here, no, it ain't. I don't care where you're from. I don't care what you done did. I don't care about your background. I don't care about none of that. You got to show up. When I'm stepping out, these facts, Jack. You got to show up. I'm moving on business. In business only. Anything else, y'all looking for trouble. And if you're looking for trouble, nigga, I was told you gonna find it. So yeah, we gotta do away with all this bully tactics. Everybody wanna work for the men to try to down us, homie. That's what really got me going. How can you try to work for the men and then you wanna try to extort us because you got a resource? Oh, because you done some things with these individuals, and now you feel like that, oh, man, I'm the socket. Yeah, they got to come through me. Yeah, you got to come through me. And if you don't come through me, and you know, we ain't rocking with you. We ain't doing this. We ain't doing that. Homie, y'all watch out for people that act like that. Watch out for people that act like that. It's 2022, not 2021, not 2000. It's 2022, homie. The game is starting to change. This internet is starting to have more of a major impact than ever before. So watch what you say on this YouTube. Watch what you say. That's all I can tell y'all. Watch what come out y'all mouth on this internet. Because this internet, this YouTube and everything that's going on, man, it's bigger than the radio now. The radio station's so local. The YouTube is global. It's global. Everybody, they listening to you all over the world. So listen to what I'm saying. People starting to say some things, and everybody's starting to peep out what's going on. They starting to realize what's going on, your character. They starting to see certain things because you boys starting to open your mouth up and you starting to say some things that you ain't got no business saying, and you starting to be, and it's coming out to the public. Now the world gonna realize what's really going on. So don't be mad at nobody that's speaking on those topics. Don't get upset about people that's speaking on those topics because you the one that open your mouth up. You the one that was trying to impress somebody. You were trying to impress her son. You were trying to impress her son like you was some type of god doggone werewolf. Yeah. Yeah. It just backfired. It just came back on you. Yeah. That's why I always tell people, watch what you say. See, that's a prime example. I see how they kick it down her. I see how him and you, they kick it. But my thing is this here. Is he really your partner? What do he really stand on? Because if he really your partner, he gonna be your partner when you ain't even looking. He gonna be your partner when you not even know. I heard the son say this. Me and you, we had supposed to be real cool. But you backdoored and you got on the clubhouse and you went to say, you went to running your mouth to people that we don't even have knowledge of on the clubhouse. Come on, man. Generals don't supposed to do that, man. A general do not supposed to operate like that. Generals don't supposed to have conversation with individuals about anything that done transpire. This what I'm saying. We got to sit down and start realizing what's going on with these generals. Because you saying you a general, which I'm listen, you saying you a general. I didn't say you a general now. So let's get that overstood. You said you a general. So when you a general, you going to move a certain type of way. When you speak on the phone, you're going to speak a certain type of way because that's how generals operate. So don't say all I'm saying is this here. Learn from your mistakes, man. Learn from your mistakes. That's it. Learn from your mistakes. The YouTube done grabbed it and ran with it. But you need to learn from your mistakes. So next time, don't make the same mistake, man. That's it. Just don't make the same mistake. And you're going to be all right. Man, make sure y'all go subscribe to the game-related podcast on YouTube, Spotify, right now, on all platforms. Go on YouTube and subscribe to the game-related podcast right now. We got some nice things coming up. We're doing some big things. But until then, I ain't really got to speak on this subject no more, you feel me? Because the whole world's speaking on it, Jack. But guess what I'm going to say? I'm going to get out the way and get back to doing what I do best, man. You hear me? And hey, I make quality content. Until then, I get at y'all, man. That way.